Hello, and welcome to V.Z Pro 3. TikTok has become a powerful platform, not only for creating fun videos, but also for customizing them with creative tools. One of them being video stickers. These allow you to take clips from your own videos and turn them into reusable stickers that can be overlaid in future content. However, what if you created a video sticker that you no longer need or that was made by mistake? If you're wondering how to delete a video sticker on TikTok, you're not alone. In this complete guide, we'll walk you through the steps to permanently remove a video sticker you created, so it doesn't appear again when editing new content. Let's get started. Make sure you're using the latest version of TikTok from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the TikTok app and log into your account. After entering TikTok, tap the profile picture at the bottom right corner. Then you will be taken to your TikTok profile page. If you have previously made your own sticker, to see it, please tap the sticker icon next to the padlock icon. This is where all the stickers that have been made are stored. Select the sticker you want to delete. Tap on the sticker, several menu options will appear. Tap on the delete menu, and your TikTok sticker has been successfully deleted. Do the same if you want to delete other stickers. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.